What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to use Google Analytics to find out where your website is getting traffic from. So as an example, I have my website here called The Nature Seeker, and if I go into Google Analytics, it says that the average users in the past 28 days is 65,000, sessions is 94,000, and these are definitely good numbers which I am working to improve. But the thing is, we don't really know where these numbers are coming from. Are they coming from Google, from Facebook, from YouTube, from some kind of other traffic source? We want to find out where the traffic is coming from, and then as a result, determine where we should spend most of our time to get more traffic from to the website. So you can do that with Google Analytics, and obviously in order to do what I'm going to show you, you're going to have a Google Analytics account installed and connected to your website, which I do in this case. But supposing that you do have that, here's how to find out where your traffic is coming from. So I'm in the property area of Google Analytics, which is connected to my website. It says The Nature Seeker over here, and you can click on the home button if you haven't already, which will highlight this. But what you're going to do once you are in the home area and once this page loads up is you're going to scroll down to the area down here where it says suggested for you, and this first area where it says view traffic and it says acquisition, and it's actually cut off. You can click on this in order to go to the next area. So that's where you're going to want to go. But once you're in this next section, you're going to see this chart over here, or this report of different traffic sources, organic search, paid search, and all that, but it's still not quite defined. We don't know where these sources of traffic are coming from. So what you're going to want to do next is click on the plus sign over here, then scroll down to where it says traffic source, click on this, and then on the right where it says session source medium, click on this. Now, once you click on that, this is what's going to open up the actual platforms from which your traffic is coming from. And here now we can see where my actual traffic sources are coming from. So we have Google CPC, we have Direct, and Direct is actually kind of a mix of all these other ones, but it's like a miscellaneous assigned type of traffic source. It's really important, but I wish it was a bit more defined. It is what it is. But anyway, we also have mobile Facebook traffic, Bing organic, Google organic, Yahoo. So in my case, I can see from this traffic report that I have traffic sources coming from different places. And then I can actually make further follow-up assessments as to where I should focus more of my efforts to get more traffic from. So mobile traffic from Facebook is not very good because if we look at the average engagement, it's very small, only a few seconds, but the other ones are pretty good. So for me, at least, when I look at a report like this, I can tell that I should probably be focused on more Google traffic, more Bing traffic, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Pinterest. These are all important sources that I should and am actually focused on getting more traffic from and building that up, and that's something I actually have in other videos which you can check out on my channel. So that's how you do it. I will also add that if you're watching this right now and you're someone that's new to the whole subject of making websites, traffic generation, Google Analytics, and stuff like that, I'm actually someone that does this for a living. The website that you're looking at here is actually this one, which does get a lot of visitors every single month, and I also do make money from this website. So here's actually one of the earnings reports for the last 30 days for this website. And if that is something that you're interested in learning more about, maybe perhaps you're new or struggling and you want to build something like this, I'll include a link below this video to a free beginner case study and action plan that teaches you how to do all of this stuff. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you have any questions, leave your comments below and I'll take a look, but I'll see you in the next one. Take care.